All right, we are live for break number 329. This is 2015 Topps Triple Threads Baseball. Or, I'm sorry, 2015 Topps Triple Threads Football. I'm going to wait a few minutes for people to get here. Looks like somebody's maybe running a cell. I'll give them a couple minutes here. So we got a new setup here, as you can see. Got multiple camera angles. Did my thing really get cut off? No? Never mind. It's still on there. Waiting for you, Mark. I guess Mark's holding on to the Buccaneers, so should be ready to go. How's the volume over there, Jenny? How's the volume over there? Yeah. No, I heard it just fine. Thanks, Tyler. That's the NFL over there. I'm not getting comments on here.
There's comments on here.
All right, guys. 2015 Topps Triple Threads Football. I see 10 of you. Your teams are here. Titans moved. That was the only other team that moved. So, yeah. I think we're good to go. Let's go bust this box. Hey, be quiet. No. Not in the one screen, but on the other screen they are. Alright, I might be a little slower in some areas with the new setup. I'm still getting used to it. Trying to figure it out. And let's go for mini box 1. Topps Triple Threads has 14 cards, 4 hits. If the screen's small, rotate your phone sideways. That'll get big. Thanks, Alan. I've been working on it for the last couple days off and on. When at that time, my old computer broke, so I built a new one, and got the parts for it, and learned how to put together a computer. It was pretty interesting. Only problem is I gotta look to my side to see comments. Maybe if I put them over here. Let's try this. Move my comments over here. I'll move my main feed. Right there. Nope. Don't want to maximize. Alright, thanks Dustin. Appreciate it. Lefty. He's a lefty. Alright, first card out. Man, I can't see this. I don't have my phone here anymore. I can't see what I'm looking at. Julio Jones for the Falcons. Numbered 53 out of 232. I might need more light for personal use. I'm used to seeing the cards on my phone right in front of me, and now I gotta look over at these screens to see them. That one will go to Isaiah Joseph Garcia. Second card for the Indianapolis Colts is T.Y. Hilton, number 96 out of 99. That one going to Seth Sluniker. Top letter felt big. We're going to flip this for the base cards. For the Texans, J.J. Watt. That one will go to Mark Serlin. Another puzzle, Tracy or Alan. I've got I think I've got most of them from the late '80s put in a frame. If not, I've got all the pieces. I appreciate it. I've got another couple framed, I think. Can't remember what the other one is. Next card for the Cowboys, Emmitt Smith. That one going to go to Joe and Amanda Myers. Just because it's sports card, I'm assuming that's Joe, maybe? I'll call you Joe Myers. If I'm wrong, just let me know. Welcome to the breaks, by the way. Colts, Frank Gore. Going to go to Seth Sluniker. And a first hit. Ooh, that's pretty. For the Jacksonville Jaguars, this is T.J. Yeldon. A rookie patch auto. We got 3 dual colored patches. That one going to go to Mark Serlin. Hey Tyler, I'm showing you Cowboys. What did I say? My bad. Tyler Riley, Dallas Cowboys. I'm trying to read things and do things at the same time. TJ Yeldon here. Got a cool number on that one. Number 1 out of 10. And just so you know, there's your teams. So you can pop them up. Yeah, Cowboys. Tyler Riley. And last hit of the first mini box for the Chiefs. This is Chris Conley, rookie patch. That one will go to Mark Serlin, numbered 71 out of 75. All right, mini box 2. Trying to get used to all these changes around here. Like, I know you guys can see top now, so I don't really have to show you like this. You guys can see it like that here. Or we can do this, and you guys can watch from overhead. Yes, Dayton. Kind of interesting when I'm opening up the packs like that. All right, the first card out for the Seahawks is Richard Sherman. That one's going to go to Mark Serlin. That one numbered 86 out of 232. It's too dark here. These numbers are hard to read. I might bust out the lamp next break. LaShawn McCoy, number 7 out of 232. There's not enough cards left to mess with the lamp right now. That one for the Buffalo Bills is going to Joe Myers. I'm going to flip those hits. Pull out. Jamal Charles. With that overhead view, you guys can kind of cheat on what's coming next. And we'll go to Mark Serlin. For the Vikings, Teddy Bridgewater. That one I'm going to Joe Myers. Packers, Randall Cobb. Going to Paul Hudson. Not looking good, Alan, as in the cards coming out or as in the feed? I'll make sure the feed's going right. It looks like we might have got 3 hits here. Let's check first before we assume. Rashad Perryman, RPA for the Ravens. This one numbered 45 out of 75. We'll go to Paul Hudson. You got it. Thanks, Josh. I've been doing some work on it lately. Go a little smaller. Felt like something was crawling on me. Next card. Ew, that's pretty. Triple relic for the Packers, Eddie Lacy, number 9 out of 36. We'll go to Paul Hudson. That was kind of fat. Yeah, he likes that big case. And last hit of the break is... That's Sammy Coates' rookie year, right? Anyway, Sammy Coates autograph number 27 out of 30. Nice little kind of shadow box image of him there. I don't know if that's a shadow box or not. For the Steelers, that one will go to Stan Grant. And he's number 27 out of 30. That was Topps triple threads. Nothing crazy in this one. TJ Yeldon, not bad. He might turn out to be something good. Alright, let's go back through and give him a packaged up for the Packers. Eddie Lacy, triple relic. Josh, maybe just send me a PM, show me the card, and give you an idea out of it. Rashad Perryman for the Ravens. Well, Joe, that's kind of how I do it. I mean, the way you bought it, I could probably ship them. No big deal. For the Chiefs, Chris Conley. But I figure we do single boxes, so I combine everything. These boxes back here, actually. Is he all right? They hold everybody's cards until they're ready to ship. Some people wait for weeks. Thanks, Jeff. Some people ship immediately. Doesn't really matter to me how you do it. I just want you to have the option to maximize shipping so that we aren't just shipping like a base card or 2 or 3 or something like that. Some people want that, and that's fine if you want to ship base cards, but a lot of people don't see the value in it. so they let cards pile up. So for the Steelers, that one going to Stan Grant. Way down here at the S's. Stan Grant. Jaguars, Mark Serlin, who also had the Chiefs. Don't let me roll over, baby. Perryman is Ravens, which is Paul Hudson. Paul Hudson. Packers going to Paul Hudson. Bills. Joe Myers, I need to make you one. Seahawks, Mark Serlin. Colts, Seth Sliniker. Seth Sliniker. Falcons, Isaiah Joseph. Garcia. Packers, Paul Hudson. Vikings, Jeremias. Chiefs, Mike Serlin. Colts, Seth Sliniker. Alright guys, I'm going to have another break posted here soon. Probably throw in some baseball. And the Chiefs. I've got options back here. I don't know if you can see those. If I do that, you can. Cowboys, Tyler Riley all the way down. And the Texans. Stop it. Come here. Come here. Come here. Chill out. Chill out, big guard dog. Big guard dog. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it for now. I will see y'all soon. And take care. Appreciate it, Jason.